Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I am going to show you very beautiful and amazing ideas of bottle recraft, bottle recycle ideas with jute rope and wrapped with jute and added some red touch and added some green touch. So viewers, it would be a rustic look and these are very amazing and gorgeous design. These are very beautiful and interesting ideas. I hope you're doing very well and you can grow your business with it, and you can make some trash turn into treasure, and you can grow these simple things into beautiful, you can turn into beautiful things. So viewers, trash bottles and plastic bottles we thrown away, but we don't know where it is gone, what is doing with that. So we have to recycle that. It is good for our planet, and it is necessary for our planet, because trash bottle is away is stayed in ocean. And so these beautiful bottles, you can make it at home, very beautifully designed, and it would be your centerpiece. It can become your centerpiece, table centerpiece. So grab your bottle and make some fantastic in your life, and some extra things, and make your asset with that. So you can make asset with that. How can you? So do you think how can you? uh, Question is coming in your mind, how can I do this? So make your some artistic piece, some extra treasures, extra trash, make some artistic, some beautiful things like bottle recycle. You can recycle bottles. After that you can post, you can make a video and post on social media like Instagram, Facebook, whatever you using, whatever whoever you are using. So after that, make a story and upload on social media and make a product, and buy some Google ads. So then watch the response, what will response, everybody watching that. And definitely if your product is good, so everybody gonna purchase that. And if your product is powerful, because people wants to buy a story, and people wants to buy some different types of designs, different types of ideas, and some unique ideas. And this season is very beautiful, an upcoming season, third trimester, and new year is coming, and a very beautiful season is coming. So winter is coming, holiday season is coming, everybody gonna do something different, something amazing in these days. So are you enjoying this video? These are very beautiful designs, and women wants to something great in her life. So they are definitely want to do something best for their homes. So in this video, all in one, here you are right place, and you can watch the videos. These designs are very interesting and useful for our every home. If you have mason jars, useful jars, burlap art, if you have, so you can make some different things. If you want to watch more designs like this, you can follow our channel. You can tell me in my channel what do you want to watch. This slideshow is making something different things with the jute rope and burlap craft, and very beautiful idea with cinnamon sticks and grass. So hope you enjoy the all designs and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And we are trying to bring for you the best ideas, the best designs. Hope you enjoying these designs, hope you enjoying these ideas, this festive collection of bottles, recycle bottle ideas, recraft the bottles, and make something extraordinary. Make your ordinary things turn into extraordinary, and some stylistic idea with your artistic mind. So what do you think about that? These are interesting or not? And So viewers, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, keep shining like a star, keep smiling, may your life fulfill of